Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today we're going to be updating the indices. Today is Thursday, September 12th, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. So this is a 60-minute chart of the S&P. We can see right here that if you take a look here, we have a wave 1 right here. Okay, and then we have a flat A, B, C. It's a running flat here. Okay, ABC ended with 2 right here, and then since we finished with 2, we extend higher in what looks like a nest within a wave 3. We are close to reaching the 1.618 extension of this 1 and 2 right here, and again an extended third swing typically suggests it is in some sort of an impulsive move, right? so this update here suggests that we can continue to see further upside in the S&P, and any pullback therefore can continue to find support for next leg higher to finish a 5 waves up. Now looking at the larger degree now, let's take a look where this 1 and 2 count came from. So if you take a look at the 1-hour chart, so this is your 1 and 2 here. This is the 4-hour chart, I'm sorry. So this 1 and 2 starts from August 6. So this is the cycle that we are talking about from August 6. And this cycle looks to be alive, still remaining, remains in progress. And we got what looks like currently like a nest, and also almost reaching the 1.618 extension right here. Now this is of course the all-time high back in July at 3029, I believe, right? So there is a possibility therefore that S&P could potentially break to new all-time high again and continue the next leg higher. Okay, so if this count is correct, that we are in the 1, 2, and then now we are in the 3, so that means that we should be getting at least a 5 ways up from August 6, and as of now, at best we are either ending only this move higher here at best is going to be either ending with 1 of 3. Now if you are more bullish, then this is a with 1 of 3 like this, right? Either we are ending with 1 of 3, or this move is ending with 3, right? Now regardless, whichever the case may be, whether this is 1 of 3 or with 3, still you should be expected to at least see another leg higher again, at least to finish a 5 ways up from August the 6th, right? So potentially then potentially there is a chance the S&P can still make a new all-time high. Okay, so that's what we are calling for in the shorter cycle. Now overall though, is kind of it's kind of slowly marching upwards, not really, like there's always a pullback first before going higher again and so on. But for now, I think the structure seems to suggest we are ready to break higher again and resume further upside, at least in the shorter cycle, and make a new all-time high. Now for this view to truly get validation, then of course you need to actually break above this, right? Physically it needs to break above this. Otherwise you still cannot rule out, for example, another possibility is that this is an ABC, right? It could be an ABC and then fail below this peak and then start to turn lower, right? That's still a possibility, right? So the only confirmation that we are really is gonna extend higher in a 5 waves is if we do get a break above this previous peak. That will validate the view. Now if you just use the principle in which wave 3 usually has an extension, then the argument here favors more upside, because Currently here, the third wave seems to be still progressing right now. Okay, and it looks like we're gonna hit the 1.618 very soon, and therefore it looks like we are in the 123 right now, with possibly breaking into new all-time high. Okay, so that's the update for today. Now obviously there will be ECB meeting tomorrow. Market participants believe that they might be reactivating the bond purchase again. That could further support the indices overall, right? Cheap money. And then next week the Fed expected to cut the rate, right? And also recently there is a progress again. President Trump delayed the tariff to China from early October to the middle of October. The additional tariff, sort of supporting the market a bit right now as we speak. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen here in the next few trading days. Should be very interesting. And for further updates on S&P or other indices, Forex, commodities, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.